the eyes of my heart, Lord. Open the eyes of my heart. I want to see you. I want to see you.
Hi. Did you get some Valentines the other day?
Yes, I did. And I also sent some to the school and to the neighborhood and to my special friend. I also gave Valentines to Mom and Dad just to let them know that I love them.
Who's your special friend? I won't tell.
Yes, you will. And you will tease me about having a special friend.
She's right, you know. I probably would tease her. Did you have a party at school?
We had cupcakes and looked at each other's cards. It was so much fun.
Yeah. You know, we don't tell people I love you enough.
What? Is that really you talking?
Yep. I noticed that families and friends do a lot for me, like remembering my birthday, helping me with chores, or opening the door when my arms are full of books, Mom cooking my favorite pizza, sharing their lunch at school when I forgot mine. You know, they do a lot of nice things for me.
I see what you mean. Sometimes it's just a hug when I need one, or a kind word to cheer me up. I've noticed these things too. Does that mean we are growing up?
Well, in a way it is. You know, we've been learning in Sunday school, love comes from God. And we're supposed to share it with others and not just keep it for ourselves. I guess that means we're growing up.
What are some ways we can share God's love with others?
Miss Barb, can you help us out here?
I hope so, but I can't get the mic on. It's on. Okay. It's on. All right. What are some of the ways that we share?
Give Valentine.
Oh, with Valentine's. Did you hear that? Okay. What else do we do in Sunday school? No. Oh, come on. I know you know.
Shake each other's hands.
Yes, shake each other's hands.
Miss Barb, how about that pennies?
Oh.
What's that for?
Oh, what are our pennies for? Can you tell us?
For Sunday
For
school.
partners. Pennies for partners.
Oh, yeah.
And you know what else? I know one.
What?
What do we do in the summertime?
Play in the week.
Oh, besides play, we come to church. We come during the week. What is it? No. What is it that we come? Normally we come in the evenings. What is it? We come for a whole week.
Bible school, is that what it is?
Bible school.
Well, you guys are just, they must still be asleep.
Oh. What else can they do? How about,
She's saying Canberra Ministry.
yeah.
Well, I bet that's what they're doing right now. On Sunday evening. What do you think?
Oh, yeah. How about when they visit people in nursing homes? How about that?
You give them money.
Yeah. How about, I know the ours are sending cards to our soldiers overseas. We do that.
I know one.
What?
Telling the truth, even if we get in trouble. Like Esther could have gotten in trouble.
Oh, yeah. Well, you know, there are some great ways that we share God's love with others.
Kids, you can do more than you think you can to help others and share God's love. Maybe we can talk to the adults about sharing God's love too some other time.
Yeah. Well, kids, I want you to do me a favor. I want you to talk to your parents and Sunday school teachers about how you and they can share God's love with others. Then bring your suggestions to church next Sunday and give them to Miss Barb during the children's.
I know what
Can you do that for me, kid?
I'm more.
Yeah, yeah.
Oh, gee.
Don't like flowers.
Great. Before you leave for Sunday school, let's bow our heads and pray. Dear Father, help us to share the love you give us and others in our family, church, school, and community. We are only kids, but you can use us in mighty ways. Help us to be brave enough to reach out to others. Bless these children and their families as they learn about how much you love us. Watch over us this week and bring us safely back here next week to continue to learn more about you. Amen.
Hey, kids. Time for Sunday school. Bye now. See you.
Open the eyes of my heart. I want to see you. I want to see you. Open eyes, Lord. Open the eyes of my heart, Lord. Open the eyes of my heart. I want to see